Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove credit or debit card on crypto.com. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So when you log into your crypto.com app, on the main dashboard, you should basically click on trade. And then you need to click on buy. And then if you only want to remove your credit or debit card, it really doesn't matter what currency in cryptocurrency you need to choose. So for example, let's select Ethereum. And then you should see on the bottom the credit card or debit cards that you added. And there is, as you can see here, on the right side, little blue tick mark. But if you press on it, nothing happens. So what you need to do here, you need to press on edit. And then as you can see here, the little minus appears. Press on the little minus and then press remove. And your credit card or debit card is removed from crypto.com app. Well, guys, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press the button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.